Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the wild to uncover the secret lives of one of the most elusive creatures on the planet, the pangolin. You might have heard of them, but how much do you really know about these fascinating animals? Pangolins are often called scaly anteaters because of their unique scales made of keratin, the same material as our nails and hair. These scales are their primary defense mechanism. When threatened, a pangolin rolls into a tight ball with its tough scales acting like armor. It's like nature's very own medieval knight. But survival in the wild isn't just about defense. Pangolins are expert foragers, using their incredible sense of smell to locate ants and termites. Once they find a tasty colony, they use their powerful claws to tear open nests and their long, sticky tongues to lap up the insects. And get this, their tongues can be longer than their bodies. Now you might think these skills make pangolins invincible, but they face some serious threats. Habitat destruction and illegal poaching are pushing these amazing creatures to the brink. In some cultures, pangolin scales are wrongly believed to have medicinal properties, making them a target for illegal wildlife trade. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are incredible efforts underway to protect and conserve pangolins. Wildlife organizations are working tirelessly to crack down on poaching and to create safe environments where pangolins can thrive. They're also educating communities about the importance of these creatures and how to protect them. You can help too. By supporting conservation groups and spreading awareness, we can all play a part in ensuring the survival of pangolins. Remember, every little action counts. So next time you hear about pangolins, you'll know just how amazing and vital they are to our ecosystem. Let's work together to give these incredible animals the chance they deserve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wildlife adventures. See you next time.